Simply Smooth sent me their magic potion. Now, this is a leave-in conditioner that claims to fix everything from helping with frizziness, split ends, detangling, you name it, this does it. I was very excited when I found out that they would be gifting me this because I just cut my hair and I've been looking for new products to try because since it's shorter and it's curly, it gets frizzy very easily. So I was very excited to see that this claims to eliminate all frizz. So you're supposed to just spritz it throughout your hair. I'm gonna be fairly generous with the product because my hair is really thick. If you have thinner hair, you're obviously not gonna need as much product as someone with thicker hair. I'm also just gonna spray a little bit into my hand, rub it together, and just do like this, kind of just run it through, scrunch on the ends. And then it says you're supposed to brush it out, which I'm very apprehensive about, but I know how to follow instructions. They know their product better than I do at this point, so I'm gonna do it. Even though it makes me literally cringe because brushing out product after you put it in as a curly hair girly is kind of unheard of. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's wet. I will come back when it's fully dried. This is what my hair looks like all dry. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy with this product. I don't see any frizz. I struggle a lot with frizz, specifically like at the top of my head, and there is absolutely none, which is mind-boggling to me. I've like never experienced that, okay? I think that every curly haired girly needs to try this. I'm in love.